Welcome to today, and allow your eyes to open with gratitude and welcomeness to the new day. You see today as an endless opportunity of good, positive things that can happen, and the only person that can control it is you. It takes so much energy to be negative in your day, so focus on the positivity in your day and in your life and that feeling you have right now. With that feeling you have right now, I want you to focus on it and just do these simple breathing exercises. I want you to take a deep breath in to the count of 4 and then exhale to the count of 5. Continue to do this. Focus on things that bring you positivity in life. If thoughts occur that stress you out or bring you bad vibes or any of this, just remember to bring the focus back to the breath. I want you to go about your day as you have this light feeling about you, and everything will come with you with ease. Now we're coming to the silent part of the meditation, and I want you to focus on bringing positivity to yourself and those around you. Now, as you go about your day, I want you to remember this feeling you have right now, and I want you to remember that you took this time to focus on being a positive person, and that this new day has endless opportunities for you. Now, I want you to thank yourself for taking this time to care about your positivity and starting your day off right. And I also want to thank you for taking this time to listen. Have a wonderful day.